Hey everybody, this is Kyle from Kyle in Court, doing another episode of Surviving Toddlerhood. This week's theme is on dental hygiene, so we're going to talk a little bit about that. With Sophie, we're pretty good about dental hygiene. We definitely have some consistency issues, mostly me. I'm pretty lax when it comes to bedtime routines in terms of making her brush her teeth, but every once in a while I definitely will do it, after baths almost always, and her mom is a lot better about it. But one way that we help with dental hygiene, kind of make it a little better, is that we have toothbrushes and toothpaste in both our bathroom and her bathroom, so that whenever she's downstairs or we're upstairs, we try to get her teeth brushed, whenever she's just eaten or whenever it's close to nighttime. We try to do it then.
Or just any time.
Yeah, or
makes it easier.
Really. Yeah, it's really convenient. So as far as the actual brushing goes, we definitely try to let her do it herself, kind of just get used to it first, so A, that it's kind of fun, kind of a thing that she does for fun, and then obviously B, get used to it. And then we usually try to follow it pretty well by doing it, afterwards, give her a second scrub.
Yeah.
One of the other things we did is we definitely let her pick out her own toothbrushes. So we started off with some, kind of fun ones, but now we've actually gotten a little more inventive. My dad is a dentist, by the way, so he recommended actually getting her an electric toothbrush, a specific one that was kid-friendly.
He got it for her.
And bought it for her. It actually works really well. She likes it. She loves it.
She does.
She turns it on anyway.
It doesn't scare her.
It doesn't scare her. She puts it in her mouth. She'll totally
brush her teeth. It's better.
And just by virtue of it, kind of moving faster.
It's cute too. It lets the kids decorate it themselves with stickers.
Right. Yeah, it's really fun actually. And Courtney will give you a link about that because it is a really good buy for that. And then the other thing that we kind of do that sort of helps, at least in terms of hygiene for her, is we try to just get my dad to actually look at her teeth. Again, he's a dentist, but it doesn't matter if he's a dentist or not. He kind of looks at her teeth every once in a while, and it's just getting her used to getting ready to go see a dentist and know that people look at your teeth and you need to take care of them. That's important. I think just kind of just setting that up in like a little role playing. I mean, he really is obviously looking at them, but even if it was just you guys just looking at them and saying,
get her used to it. Clean, yeah, get them used to it.
Just kind of get them comfortable with it. I think that really helps. So.
And different. There's lots of different ideas on when's the best time to bring your child to the dentist. We've always heard that the best time was when they get their first tooth. The reason we never brought Sophie is because Kyle's dad just looks at her teeth for us. Right. And so we haven't really brought her yet. He recommended that it was okay not to for her. And so we'll probably get her into the dentist this year because now that she's got most of her teeth,
right. So now that, exactly. So she's just about getting her last set of teeth. She's a little late bloomer on that, but not.
Yeah, she's a late teether, but she's finally caught up.
She's finally coming in. So we'll probably take her in, and hopefully
they'll do a fluoride treatment and all that.
Will tell us that despite all our consistency, that her teeth aren't about to all fall out.
So, one other thing I do, Kyle, I don't even know if you know I do this, but sometimes because I feel like even though after she brushes her teeth and then I come in and follow up, I still feel like sometimes they're not brushed well enough. Mm-hmm. But I'll use a wet washcloth and just put it in her mouth and kind of mush it around, like you do with their gums.
I will, every once in a while, I'll kind of go back to the really old school way. I'll actually brush her teeth with my finger.
Ew.
Yeah, because if you have a finger gum, one of those little things that go on top of it, that's what you're supposed to use for a baby. But honestly, back in the old days, and this is true, people used to just put baking soda on their finger and just
rub it in. Yeah.
I mean, it's not the most effective way, but
it's better than nothing.
At least you can get in there and make sure you're doing it.
I think the key thing we made an effort to with Sophie is we make teeth brushing not a chore, and it's something that she does.
She loves it.
She's always like, I want to brush my teeth. So
she's not.
She does not mind it. Right. She's very good about it. She likes it. Like I said, she'll get to pick out her toothpaste or toothbrushes. It's nice. So that's it. Not really a lot for it, but so be it.
We're trying.
But so our main tips are just make it enjoyable and also make it convenient. If that means you have to buy 3 different sets of toothbrushes and toothpaste to just keep in all your bathrooms so you can brush their teeth more easily and conveniently, do it because it's cheap. It doesn't matter.
Right.
So, yep.
And brush your teeth.
And floss.
And floss.
All right.
Done.